Hello everybody, and in today's video I'll be teaching you how to fix Wanderlog app not working. So let's get started. So there are a few solutions you can try to fix this issue. The first solution you can try is updating your app. So to do that, open up the App Store and now type Wanderlog app. And now on the right hand side, if you see update instead of open, that means you haven't updated to the latest version. Just click on update and check if it works. If it still doesn't work, that means you have to clear the cache files. So to do that, go over to settings. Now scroll down and click on general. Now tap on iPhone storage. From here, find and click on the Wanderlog app. Once you're on the screen, you have to click on offload app and this will clear the cache files. After that's done, a reinstall button will pop up. Once you click on it, the app will be reinstalled. If the solution doesn't work, then you have to go to the last solution, which is reinstalling the app. To do that, on the last you'll see delete app, click on it and now delete the Wanderlog app. Once it is deleted, go to the App Store and reinstall it over there. And now your problem should be fixed. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you all in the next one. Goodbye.